Hello, yours. Welcome to CodeForAny. Fruit markets, Flutter apps inside. Today, I need to see this here. The admin users inside. We need to first of all the fix this here. The category wise gets item list. You need to call here because we need to get here the issue with here the this item list need to open here. We need to fix here. First of all, so we need to clean this here. This no needs here these items. We need to go inside here the main categories and to give this here the list buttons need to put and here to open this here this item list like you need to change things for this creation us and then after you need to items deletes api need to call here today like this we need to making here now first of all we need to go this here the main categories we need to find out inside the screens now we need to go inside here the main categories list and we need to go inside here the cells of the main categories row now need to go definitions and we need to write down here the another methods callbacks on list like here's and we need to write down here the required these dots on list we need to add here's and we need to make here the another buttons set here the green color like here and we need to set here the icons of the list like here's and on list like we need to creating here for the screen need to configures now need to write down here the on list for yours now we need to create here the context dot push extension methods. If you not see here the second video, please first of all the see second video. Now we need to go inside here the item list API. Need to find out here first of all need to give this here the final map and we need to get this here the get objects. Need to write down here the objects is good for the short name like years and import this years for this API and group list. And then after on any this API calls, we need to call here these parameters. Need to write down here the main category ID and get main get ID and need to write down here the widgets dot objects slash you like this value. We need to put here and we need to save here for this API calls and remove this here the item place list save here and we need to go inside here the main account tabs. We need to remove this here line of list line of code right here and also list inside need to remove save now need to set here remain item list screens and we need to pass this here the object semicolons and we need to save it and look like this here the show click on black and we need to restart this here this app and we need to see here for accounts my categories select here the list and we need to calling this here the api maybe we need to get like this here the errors we need to fix this here first of all so need to setting here term category list pass this here the object restart this apps and need to click here For this API, need to write down here and select this fruit and show like this here. And if not found, then like this show. If vegetables like this show, we need to click here and go this definitions for this object API call, and you need to write these methods set here format. API calls need to check this here the parameters. Check here the local variables. Main gets ID ports need to pass here and we need to catch this with the all errors. Integer types is not subtypes of the string. That's why I need to get here the errors. Maybe you need to check this here the calling here for API calls here, and we need to write down here the post, and we need to restart this here. Exit this app, and again we need to run this app here, and we need to set yes, and then after we need to active inactive need to not now, but we need to set this here the delete API, set here the admin item. Let's go here the definitions. Item deletes API need to put here save here, and we need to go against this thing and use this code that this API list calls save here, and we need to write down some deletes. Need to pass this here the limit inside item ID like here. So need to calling here for the deletes and save here. Now app is runs, and we need to check against for this calling. Go here, click main categories, remove this calls, need to stop here, click here vegetables, and we need to get this here the list and open this screen and show like this here. Now click on fruits, need to click here and show like this here the list of fruits. So need to showing here, and we need to write down here the categories name. To need to change this here the fruit items like this. So need to set this here the titles of this screen. Need to write down here dollar widgets dots. I need to get name get to string to string. Click here and show like this fruit items. To set here the space and show like here's. Now already need to put here the deletes API. Need to click here. Are you sure want to delete? And click server internal errors. Need to check this here the errors. First of all, so need to see inside here. Need to get this here the issue with here the syntax. I need to fix how to fix these errors. I need to create this here the droppers. First of all, need to nearby here this line of codes. So need to get here to find out here the root market node.js codes, and we need to line up codes one for two three line of codes need to find here's and here's need to get here the errors. So here the question mark here comma issue. Need to fix here's and clean these here's and need to start against this server, and now need to again call this API. Click on delete. Okay, and this item deleted successfully. You need to get this here the message. Like this, need to calling this here the configure this flow deletes as well as need to set here the category fruit list need to show here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I'll help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.